Hey y'all, how we doing? Mike here, Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be showing you how we're going to wash my 2019 Grand Design RV. Let me show you guys real quick how it looks. Overall, guys, the outside looks pretty clean. We got some water streaks, we got some dark marks here. So we're actually going to use a pressure cleaner with the soaper, and we're going to spray some soap on it. Quick little, you can see all the black streaks here in the back. So let me show you guys what we're using to get this clean. So we got this Hyper Wash detailer. We're going to put it in a foam cannon, and we're going to spray it, and then we're going to scrub it and then rinse. Just going to use a small electric Ryobi electric pressure washer, and here's the foam cannon we're going to use. So let me load this up, and we're going to spray it and then scrub it with a scrub brush. So guys, with the soaker on the pressure cleaner, you usually just do a small area like that, and then you come in with the scrub brush, do a section at a time. So as he scrubs that, we'll come back and we'll rinse. So you could use this on the roof. I don't recommend using anything else. Just use the Hyper Wash up there, scrub and rinse the roof. Be careful you don't fall down or nothing, but we don't put any chemicals on there, no bleach or nothing. So while he's scrubbing that, I'll show you real quick what it looks like on the roof. So you can see on the roof, it's all nice and clean. All I did was Hyper Wash and scrub and rinse. Nothing crazy, no chemicals. Alright, so now he's scrubbing, I'm going to come behind him and do a quick rinse. Oh yeah, stuff works really good. So yeah guys, that stuff came really clean. So now I'm going to do the cap. Here's before with the cap. You can just see the grime buildup. It's a nice thick double coat like that. Now it's ready for a scrub. Oh yeah. See, that's why you guys want to make sure you have a really good RV brush with the extended poles. No need to get up on top of a ladder. But yeah, look at this. This comes right off, guys. And I didn't wash this thing in like a year and a half. I usually keep it covered. And when we're done washing it, we're going to show you a sealer that we're going to spray on over. Alrighty guys, so we ended up washing it all. He's finishing up the back section now, and then we got to finish up over here. But just to show you guys here that we're going to be using this Hydro 2 foam Car Pro. Directions here: do not apply foam in sun or hot surfaces. Make sure it's in the shaded area. Work in shade. Rinse vehicle thoroughly. Dilute 1 to 9. Close foam gun valve completely. Apply dry foam all over the vehicle. Immediately wash with a mitt and rinse. So basically with this, we're going to just spray it on, scrub it, and rinse it real quick. Try not to get overspray on the roof or anything else. Make sure your areas are really clean, because this stuff seals very well and very quickly. Alright guys, so I got that silica spray in there. Alright, so guys, you want to scrub this stuff really quickly. Make sure you're doing it in the shade. It's the late evening, so the sun's kind of going down, so we got it at a good time. So just work it in real quick. It has a really strong smell. Don't get this stuff in your eyes, on your hands. So read the instructions. And we're going to rinse this real quick. Alright, so you want to get it before it dries, y'all. We kind of got to do it quick. Try not to get it on the roof. Alrighty guys, we're working around that back side, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick show of how clean this stuff comes out after you seal it. So we got the sun going down. You can see it looks a lot better. Still dry in here, but you can see it washed away a lot of that stuff. We're actually getting ready to finish sealing that. We already did this, sealed this side. You can just see the gloss and the way the water kind of just beads up real nice. Alrighty guys, so I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you guys learned something, how to wash and maintain your RV using the two products I used. If y'all want, check out some of my other videos. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave them down. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Get out there and get cleaning, y'all. God bless. Peace.